How to use Quick Press in CapCut. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut app. Now click on the option New Project. Now go ahead and select the video or the picture. Once you have selected the video or the picture, at the bottom you're going to find different option. Select the option Overlay. Now go ahead and select the picture or the video that you want to use for overlay. So I have selected this picture. Now you can adjust it. Then at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Here over to the option, remove background. Now over here, you're going to find different brush option. Select the option quick brush. Now customize the size of the brush. Now you can use the brush. Just select the part that you want to add in the video. Or you can choose the option auto removal. You don't need to use the brush. It will automatically remove the unnecessary part from the picture or the video. And your video will be ready. So this way you can easily use Quick Brush in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.